Yes, good morning. Scott Wormy here. I'm an agent in the Lake Chapala area. And, this is another continuing video of my series on a home build taking place in Isla Bacán de los Mombrillos, which is just on the other side of the mountains from Lake Chapala. This home is being built and designed by Yamanqui, and I've alluded to his work in previous videos. Haven't been out for maybe 3 weeks or so, and the weather has been actually pretty cold and pretty rainy, which has been unusual for the Lake Chapala area. So I was surprised to see how much work has been done on the property. So I'll take you for a tour and give you an kind of an update on what's been happening on the property. Again, I'm very surprised on what's transpired. As I alluded to in earlier videos, he has a catchment system under his house. We get between 30 and 40 inches of rain in the summer months here in the Lake Chapala area. And a lot of people just let that water run off and don't really care about it, where he's doing a catchment system under his home. And he's been progressing pretty well. I'll try to get under here. Hopefully the lighting will be good enough for you. So the white pipes here, that's going to take any rain that comes off the roof, and it's going to take it. He has one water catchment or aljibe here, and he also has put in another large second aljibe. So why waste 30 inches or 40 inches of rain when you don't have to? So that's an improvement and an update. So the other thing he's done is he's finished the all outside of the home. All of those concrete panels have been placed on the home. And as I had mentioned in previous videos, he has kind of like a plywood, and then he has a tie-vac insulation, a wrap, and then he has concrete board, and then he has a base coat concrete product that goes, a skim coat that goes over it, and he'll be doing a reflective paint. So that's the front facade. I believe you've seen the side facade before. I don't think there's any changes to this. All of the wiring and gas, plumbing has been done on the property. So again, he's decided to go without any windows in this design. Very unique because he's going to have polycarbonate or a clear retractable roof on his house. So I'll try to go as quick as I can around and get into the house so you can see what's been going on. So he's also purchased a spray foam insulation machine, and the spray foam insulation is complete. They are starting the drywall process now, and they're also starting the tiling on the property. So I'll try to sneak through here. This will be the front entrance here. And again, as you can see, his crew are putting in the drywall. So you'd walk in again, and they've started the tile. He's got 2 tiles. He's got a gray tile here, then he has a wood plank look in the kitchen and living room area. So progressing with the drywall, and the drywall here has been done, and it's already mudded and ready for paint. And again, so quite a bit has been done. Tiling has been done. They've got the tile done. That's a peel. You can peel that back. So the tile is actually done on the pool area. There's just kind of a paper protective covering on it. So just kind of scan around just to get an idea of the progress that's been made on it. Again, they've done the insulation there. You can see the aluminum truss and studs for the property. They've started to do the ventilation hood, so he's going to have an indoor barbecue area, so that's going to be his custom vent hood for that. Just so you know, they're starting to do some of the concrete finishing work on the wall. This is going to be the master bedroom, as I had mentioned before. He's going to have a footbridge that goes over his pool to his master bedroom, which is a very unique feature. So The master bedroom has been drywalled and has been taped and textured for a smooth finish. Electrical is done, plumbing is done, gas lines are done. He also has a soaking tub there, so right off the master bedroom they can soak in the tub. They're starting to do the tile work here, as I had mentioned. It's a gray color. And he's going to have his half bath there for guests. And this is going to be his living room area and kitchen area here. You see these big rolls. There's 3 large rolls here. It's kind of a laminated product. See if you can see there. It's like a sandwich, and it's meant to be hail resistant. So these panels are going to go on the roof, on the sides here, and on the roof structure. So he's going to have an electric motor. So he'll have a clear roof 365 days a year, but he can retract that roof when he wants to with a motor to bring in some fresh air. So when he's having his pool party and he's grilling inside, he can open up and ventilate the home. So it's quite a unique concept. Again, they've been doing the tile. This is like a wood tile. So again, the foundation is kind of an aluminum sheathing with a 4 or 5 inch reinforced concrete pour over which is doing tiling now. So this area here is he's, again, tremendous amount of progress. It's going to house his fridge on the left, his massive stove in the middle, and then actually right in front of us, he's got his outdoor grill. So that'll be placed under that vent hood and provide him with year-round indoor grilling. And again, I've alluded to the fact that these are insulated aluminum roofing. They just interlock, so provide you insulation. Not meant to be weight-bearing, but you can have some foot traffic on it, but not a lot of people. This gentleman here is in the lavanderia, or the washer-dryer area. He's doing some tiling, and that's going to be the pantry area, and that is going to be the washer-dryer area there. So it can never have enough storage. And then here is the second bedroom. Again, no windows in the bedrooms. Kind of a unique concept. But there will be mini splits for air conditioning and heat. So you can close the door and it'll be pitch black in your bedroom. So you can sleep as long as you want. So a cozy, nice second bedroom. He's working on the tile here. This gentleman, that's a closet there. And that's going to be a bathroom there. And then as we come back out to the front, provides you with that view. And you might have sliders here, I'm not 100% sure, but that'll have access for the second bedroom out to the veranda. And this is going to be the veranda area here to provide you with lots of sunlight and his views. So very, very surprised at the progress that's been done on the house, considering we have had unusual rain in November and December. So quite surprising to me, the amount of progress that has been done. Unfortunately, Yamanqui is not here. I believe he's on another project. He's got a second crew. I think he's going to be starting a third crew to start more projects, because people are getting wind of what he's able to do. And they're excited about his building techniques compared to what currently goes on in the Lake Chapala area. So I'm going to wrap it up for now. My name is Scott Wormy. I'll provide you with my email and contact information. If you're interested in buying a lot or having your home built in the Lake Chapala area, or you're interested in selling your property or buying your dream home in the area, do not hesitate to contact me. I pride myself in being an honest person, having integrity. I don't have to sell a home, so I don't need to make a mortgage payment. So I tend to be kind of an honest person, a straight shooter. I advise you, if there's a property that I think you shouldn't buy, I will tell you that. Or if there's any concerns that I think you have in the area, I'll let you know. I highly recommend Yamanqui. Please reach out to me if you want to get more information on what he can do. He can build casitas for you. He can build a massive home with modern building techniques. So, as I always say at the end of my videos, the weather is beautiful. Wish you were here. Thank you for watching, and I should be out here in the next couple of weeks to give you an update on the progress. Enjoy your day.